Hi Tom, how are you?
How are you? Yeah, good, thank you.
You know what we could ask you? How much of a loss is Gareth Bale? When did you hear about it?
Yeah, I mean it's a massive loss. He's a great player, obviously, and yeah, we only found out I think today when it come out. So yeah, it's a massive loss, but we've got a strong squad, and whoever comes in will be a good member.
Did you think that because he was here, all was good?
Yeah, I thought it was, to be fair, but it's not the case. So someone else has got to step up and do a job.
How much more difficult is it without him? I mean, he is a superstar player, isn't he? But what practical difficulties does it bring you?
Yeah, I think everyone knows how good he is. He showed that in recent games for Real Madrid as well. Yeah, but it's something we've got to deal with, and the players that are going to come in, we've got to put a shift in and do a job for the team.
Does it mean needing extra from other players?
Yeah, I think so. No matter who goes out there, who wears the shirt, they're always going to put 110% in. We've got a good group there, and everyone will put a shift in.
It's I suppose you look at things like the match in Serbia, no Gareth Bale, possibly one of Wales' best performances in the group.
Yeah, you could say that, but yeah, like you say, it's a big loss, but the team aren't fazed by that. We've dealt with it in the past, and we'll have to deal with it again.
Is it impossible to say you could replace Gareth Bale, or do you have to think out of the box?
I wouldn't say I have to replace him. I'd say I'm a different player to Gareth Bale, and whether it's me, whether it's any other lads, we're going to put as much effort as we can in.
Does it almost drive people on to greater efforts now?
Yeah, I think so. Whether he's in a team or not, we're all gonna give it our best, and like I say, yeah, hopefully we can do it at the end of it.
And I mean, you've featured in the last two games. How much has that meant to you?
Yeah, I think I've gained the manager's trust. He showed he can trust me now. Like I said, hopefully I've repaid him with them performances. Hopefully there's more to come.
Do you feel that it's going to take 2 wins to get that second place?
I think so. Yeah, it could happen and not have 2 wins, but our main aim is to win both games.
And yourself, I mean, you've had the move to regular football at Derby. How has that gone?
Yeah, it's good. I played a lot last year for Ipswich, and now I'm at a new team, Derby, and they welcome me really well. And I feel like I'm just getting settled there now, so hopefully there's more to come from me.
And what about the arrival of your fellow Welshman, Joe Ledley?
Yes, good to see him. Good to see him in the team as well. So yeah, he'll be a good member of the team as well.
You've had a close chance to assess his fitness. I mean, he's had a couple of appearances for Derby. He's scored on his debut, played at Cardiff. You've seen him before. He's naturally fit. I mean, is he ready for 2 World Cup games, would you say?
Yeah, of course. If you've seen the previous 2 Derby games, he's in great shape. He's played really well. So hopefully he can carry on with that form if he plays.
What about the youngsters in this squad now? I mean, you must be feeling older and older.
Yeah, I remember when I was a youngster, but now I feel like an older one now. But no, they're some great talent, and it shows we're in good shape for Wales in the future.
I was just wondering whether has Gareth spoken to the group today?
No, he's around. He's just his normal chirpy self. So yeah, it's just good to have him around as well.
Who sort of broke the news to you then this morning?
I've just seen it on Twitter. Yeah, so that's how I found out. So yeah, it's good. It is what it is. He's staying with the team, so spirits are in good shape, and hopefully we can get the wins.
Is he going to be travelling to Georgia with you then? Or?
I don't know. I don't know.
Are you feeling sort of part of the squad now? Do you sort of feel fairly established?
Yeah, I think when I was younger, I think I've always felt part of the team. As soon as you come here, the seniors welcome you in, and like with the younger boys now, everyone's welcoming them in with open arms. So hopefully they can perform well if they get their chance.
Yeah, you were talking about the youngsters. I mean, what does it say about the future of Welsh football?
Yeah, I think everyone can see it's bright. You see the impact what Ben Woodburn had the last campaign. Phenomenal talent, and hopefully he can do that again.
But there's no room for error in these two games now, is there?
No, like you say, they're two massive games, probably up there with the biggest that we've had, and hopefully we can do it at the end of it.
I mean, it's the worst nightmare to be without your biggest star, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is, but I think we can't do anything about that now. We've got to look forward, and no matter who goes out on that pitch, we've got to do the job.
And is that the case of being a pro, that you just, you know, it happens all the time, you lose big players with injuries, you just get on with it?
Yeah, I think so. It's happened to a few of the boys this campaign. There's been injuries throughout, and the people who have stepped in have been brilliant, so hopefully that's the case again.
What about the sort of atmosphere you're expecting in Georgia?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a hostile one. They're going to want to win the game as well, so yeah, it sets up for a great match, and hopefully it delivers and we get the win.
I wanted to ask, how big a role are the Welsh fans going to play now, home and away, over the next two crucial games?
Yeah, I think just looking from the last campaign, how big of an impact they made. They come in numbers every time, and the support that they give us is unbelievable, so I'm sure it'll be a big factor again.
I know that we've already touched on it, but just wondering what the players are saying in the WhatsApp group you've all probably got, and how's FAWales feeling this morning? Has he said anything to you personally at all?
No, he's not said much. He's just been getting on with his treatment, so yeah, he's sort of kept himself to himself for the minute.